Hi everybody, welcome back to Toys TV. Today we're going to do a rare unboxing video. I say rare because we used to do a lot of unboxing videos a long time ago, but they kind of ran their course, so we switched over to painting custom cars. This here is called Smart Steer Lightning McQueen. It's a wristband you wear, and you control this Lightning McQueen. Now he's quite big compared to most of the Lightning McQueens we have, which are normally quite small. There's one of my diecast customs. Now let's turn it over. And what you do is you control the steering of the car by moving your arms. You wear the wristband and you control right or left by turning the steering wheel, forward and backwards by moving your hands up and down, and backward by moving your hands up, I guess, and stop straight down. And turbo speed, there's a button on the thing for turbo speed. And Lightning speaks apparently too. And let's see, he has 35 sounds and phrases. Okay, so we're going to unbox that in a second when I get some room here, but if this is your first time here, normally what we do is we're taking cars from Pixar cars and changing them into other cars or turning them into something totally different. If you watch the Cars video game, you recognize Tater and Tater Jr., and this is what we just did. This is Stinger, and there's Gerald, and there's Leland Turbo from Cars 3. Leland Turbo. There's Leroy Hemming from Cars 3. A couple of Mario and Birdie lookalikes. A lot of primer cars back there ready to be painted. There's the original car I did way back over a year and a half ago. Lightning McQueen primer from Cars 3. And there's one of my favorites here. This is Bubba. Okay, that's actually Mater turned into Bubba. He's very rare. And a lot of Miss Fritters. There's Mack Truck Miss Fritter. And a whole bunch more. If you're not familiar with the channel, there's a button here you can click. There's over 100 videos there you can watch where we took everything from Mater and turned it into Zebra Mater. And let's see, there's Retired the King, Miss Fritter, the Fabulous School Bus of Doom in honor of Doc Hudson. Okay, that's enough of that there. Let's unbox the Lightning McQueen here and see what it requires for batteries. Actually, it does require 4 AA batteries, so I happen to have them right here. And the wristband requires 3 little tiny batteries, but they come with it. So let's open it up and take it out and see what's in there, guys. There's a nice instruction manual here. How to change the batteries and how to change the batteries in the wristband. It's just 3 batteries. And I'll go through this later when we get set up, but let's take it out of the package right now so we can get some room. There goes Lightning. And lots of cars falling off. Wow, what a mess. Alright. Gee, I must have lost about 10 cars. Okay, let's put this aside and put this away and see what we have behind here. Okay, I think I got everything straightened out. There's the wristband. And I have to check the batteries, see where they are, and put the batteries in this. Let's see, there's a screw right here. Okay, I got 4 AA batteries. They're pretty obvious how they go in.
Start your engines!
Whoa, did you hear that? Let's put the cover back on and we'll get set up. Okay, it looks like there's a trim tab here for the steering. You can, if it's remote control, sometimes this little steering wheel is off of it, so you put it in the center to start. If it goes crooked on you, you can just change that. And there's the off button down here, and there's the on, watch.
Start your engines!
Okay, now let's get the wristband out, see if that's okay. Okay, let's try it out. The batteries look good. We'll turn left.
Nice job! Awesome!
Okay, hit the right. Left to right arm, I guess.
You did it!
So if you put it on the left arm, you do 1 and push the button to the left, I guess. Let's read the instructions, make sure we got it right. Whoa! It wants to get away on me. Okay, this looks pretty good so far. Okay, here we go. We got the power switch and the trim switch and the mode switch left or right. Always start the vehicle when switched off 6 inches from each other. Okay, turn on the vehicle, put it on the floor before turning on the transmitter. Oh, that makes sense. Otherwise it falls on the floor like I just did. Sync lighting McQueen race band. Switch on lighting. Switch on Lightning McQueen. Put them on the floor. Wear your wristband and slide it to the mode of your left hand or right hand. Press the button in your wristband when the light blinks. Your wristband is now connected to the vehicle. All right, we did that already. Okay, now we got to go test this sucker out. Okay, forward. Keep your hands in the thumbs up position to get the vehicle move forward. Bang. Left turn, right turn. Oh, cool. This is really neat. Quick tips. When your vehicle starts to lose power, it may lose functionality. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, we got to move this really quick. Okay, now let's go somewhere where we can check this out. This is nothing. This is just battery information here. Okay, looks pretty simple. Let's go check it out, see if it works. Okay, I'm left-handed, so I have the wristband in my left hand. Now let's turn on the car. There's a switch right here.
Start your engines.
Okay, we're gonna try this out. Now I'm gonna turn on the switch on my arm to the left position. Okay, here goes. Move my arm up.
Wanna go again? Come on, let's drive.
Well, got stuck under the chair.
Nice job. Nice teamwork. And now we're backing on up. Oh yeah. Wanna go? Oh yeah.
Oh, this is crazy.
And now we're going backward. Nice teamwork.
Okay, hit the stop button. Now back up. Forward. Turn. Turn. Wow, this is awesome.
Nice turn. Yes.
Back up. Forward.
Again. Watch the turn. Try to catch me.
All right, here goes. Back up.
Backing on up.
Forward.
Come on, let's drive.
Turn. Whoops, stuck under the... All right, here goes again. Back up.
Faster than fast. Quicker than quick. I am lightning. Straight line. Want to go again? Check out your moves. Come on, let's drive. Nice turn. Nice teamwork.
Back up.
And now we're going.
Forward. Turn.
Woo! Nice teamwork. Want to go again?
All right, this is awesome.
Check out your moves. Oh, woo! Get on up. Good job. You got it. Into those turns. Here we go. Watch your turn. Try to catch me. Nice turn. Want to go again? Yes. Nice teamwork. Raise it in reverse. Want to go again? And now we're going backwards. Nice job. Straight line. Yes. Oh yeah. Raise it in reverse. Nice. Smooth. Nice teamwork. You got it. Come on, let's drive. Backing on up. You want to go again? Woo! Oh, yeah.
Wow, I gotta admit, that is pretty cool. This is awesome.
Woo-hoo.
Except where he gets stuck under the couches all the time.
Quicker than quick. I am lightning. Lean into those turns. Want to go again? Yes. And now we're going backward. Nice teamwork. Nice job. Try to catch me. Come on, let's drive. Backing on up. Woo! Not faster than fast. Quicker than quick. I am lightning. Straight line speed. Oh yeah. Racing in reverse. Oh yeah. Good job.
Wow.
We are speed. And now we're going backwards. Backing on up. Here we go. Nice turn.
Let's try this turbo button. Ready?
Quicker than quick.
Try the turbo
I
button.
am lightning. Straight line speed.
Whoa!
Need more speed. That's how it's done.
Look at that.
Wanna go again? Oh yeah.
That's cool.
Come on, let's drive. Watch the turn. And now we're going backwards. You got it. That's right.
Listen to the turbo button. All right.
Oh yeah. Racing in reverse.
All right. Whoa! I put my arm down again. You gotta be arm
Nice teamwork.
Okay, I just put my arm down to stop it. Whoa! Wow, this is awesome.
Job.
Well, I gotta admit, that was pretty crazy, and I like it. It worked pretty good. Have you guys ever seen this before? Smart Steer Lightning McQueen. It worked great. If you had a bigger area without the couches and the chairs to get hooked on, you might have better luck. But this is awesome. I gotta admit, you know, most of the ones that you get aren't that good, but this is a really good one. It's a nice size, and once you get used to controlling your arm left, right, down and stop and back, and push the speed button here, the turbo button, it does a really good job. So I kind of like this. I hope you guys like the unboxing of it. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have this, let me know. And who knows what we can do with this car in the future. But anyway, thanks for watching the unboxing of Smart Steer Lightning McQueen. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you like the premiere or not, I really appreciate that. And again, thanks. In the previous video, someone accurately pointed out this is Max Schnell and not Raul Carul, so appreciate that. And come on back for more. Hit the button up here and subscribe and like and all that stuff. So thanks, guys. Have a great day.